Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show how to send a picture with text in a WhatsApp chat using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature has recently been updated, and it's smoother and more convenient than ever. So let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and linked to your WhatsApp account. If you haven't done that yet, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Just open WhatsApp on your phone, select linked devices, and scan the code. In a few seconds, your chats will appear right on your computer. Now, open the chat where you want to send a photo. This can be a private chat with a friend or a group conversation. It works the same way for both. When the chat window opens, look toward the bottom left of the chat bar. You'll see a plus sign or icon next to the message box. Click on it and a small menu will appear with a few options. From the list, select Photos and Videos. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse through your folders. Find the image you want to send, click on it once, and then hit Open. The picture will appear in a preview window right inside WhatsApp Web. Now, here's the nice touch at the bottom of that preview. You can type your message. It could be a caption, a note, or any text you want to include with your image. Once you're happy with your picture and your message, click the Send button, the little paper plane icon on the right. That's it. Your photo and message are now sent together in a single delivery. Quick, simple, and professional. With this new WhatsApp Web update, you no longer need to grab your phone for every image. Your computer can handle it all. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.